Hello friends! Today we will explore something exciting, how tiny seeds grow into big healthy plants. Did you know that for seeds to sprout they need certain basic things like water, sunlight and air? But here's something even more surprising. Not giving them enough or even giving them too much can actually stop them from growing. Now, to perform this activity, all we need is 4 identical pots filled with soil and some bean seeds. First, we will take 4 pots and fill them with soil. Next, we will plant bean seeds in each pot. You can see the seeds did not germinate. Well, this is because it's in direct sunlight but has no water, and seeds need more moisture to begin germination. Download the Toppscholars app to watch the complete video. Unlock premium access for 24/7 unlimited doubt solving with expert teachers.